Hello everyone, welcome back to KCET Max Revision Marathon. In our next question is based on combinations. Everybody in a room shakes hands with each other. The total number of handshakes is 45. The number of persons in the room is. So we can use combination formula or as it is also we can solve it. So if you are using combination formula, then for number of handshakes, we have to use the formula NC2. NC2 is 45. So what is NC2? It is two numbers from n, which is n into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial, which is 2 into 1. N into n minus 1 by 2 is 45. So n into n minus 1 is this 2 comes to the right hand side. 45 into 2 is 90. N into n minus 1. What are n and n minus 1? They are two consecutive numbers, right? Whatever is n, n minus 1 is 1 less. So what is product of two numbers will give you 90, two consecutive numbers. So it has to be 10 into 9. The consecutive numbers with a difference of 1, higher number is n and 1 less has to be n minus 1, and it should give you 90. So it is 10 into 9. So what is n? N is 10. This is one way of answering this. Another way wherein you do not use this formula is that if there are n people, every person, n people does n minus 1 handshakes, right? N minus 1 handshakes. Because every person in a party, you go to a party, you shake hand with all the other people in the party. So if there are 10 people in the party, each person does a handshake with all the remaining 9 people. So if there are n people, there will be n minus 1 handshake that every person does. So total number of handshakes will be each person into number of handshakes. And since if A and B is doing a handshake, we are counting that handshake twice, once for A and once for B. So to get the actual number of handshakes, we need to divide by 2. And this total number of handshakes is 45. So this same thing we have arrived by without using the combinations concept also. So this is also called as handshaking theorem. Okay, this formula is called as handshaking theorem, and this is how you solve this question. So if you are watching our video for the first time, there is a link in the video description. You can join our WhatsApp group, also join the Telegram group for all the notes and updates about KCET, and let me know in the comment section what topic you want me to focus on. See you in our next video.